Russ Gaspard here for my final week 3 project video for Java2 14.11. So we can take a look at my app. Pretty sure it meets all the requirements. I've called it Favorite Spaces, and I've got some default data that populates the initial list view if you don't have any data added yet, just to demonstrate to the user how the app works. And if you click on the list view, it brings you up to the this special view, and this is just a little back button, and you can see this different information, the name of the coffee shop, the phone number, the address, and the website. Here's my implicit intent at work. If I hit the go to website button, it'll bring you to the website for that particular business. And I also have implemented a delete. I left this in the menu here, so I can delete that coffee shop, and I've still got the other 3. If I want to add a new, this is where it takes me to my third screen. And then I have a save button, and there I am in the list. And I can view the website. In this case, I put CNN. So it works pretty well. I did put in some little protections here. So if you don't fill this out properly and try to save it, you get a little alert view. All fields are required to save a new entry. And if you put bogus data in and save it, it will save it, but of course it won't be able to visit this website. So it does a little error checking there as well to tell you that's not a valid web address. We'll just delete that one. So the project worked out pretty good. If we want to take a quick look at my code here, the list activity is my main activity, the first one that comes up, and I am using a list fragment. So I have the list fragment, place list fragment here, but there is no XML associated with this. It's just the built-in list fragment. Here's my explicit intent, where I'm going to complete this activity and go back to the original list activity, but I'm going to pack up some data, an extra there in my intent. Here's my implicit intent, where I'm going to convert my website member variable from my place class into a URI. And I did call it inside a try catch statement when I'm actually launching it, in case there's a bogus URI. So I did have this place object that I built to store data in, and if I go back to the main activity, I do have a save data and load data functions that are bringing data onto the local hard drive and reloading them back onto across different launches of the app. So I think I implemented everything I tried to here, and it took me an extra day there because I was a little bogged down, but I enjoyed the project, learned a lot, and looking forward to week 4 of the course. Thank you.